Imagine deploying new code to production without taking your app offline. Sounds risky, right? That's exactly what Kubernetes rolling updates solve. A rolling update gradually replaces old pods with new ones. Instead of shutting down everything at once, Kubernetes terminates one old pod, spins up a new one with your updated code, and waits for it to be ready. Then it moves to the next pod. This incremental approach means your app stays available throughout the deployment. The magic is zero-downtime deployment. At every moment during the update, some pods are serving traffic. Users never see an error page. The load balancer automatically routes requests to healthy pods, whether they're running the old version or the new one. But what if your new code is broken? Rolling updates include automatic rollback capability. If new pods fail their health checks or crash repeatedly, Kubernetes stops the rollout and keeps the old version running. You can also manually roll back to the previous deployment with a single command. You control the update pace with two parameters. Max surge defines how many extra pods can run during the update, speeding things up. Max unavailable sets how many pods can be down at once. Together, these let you balance speed against resource usage. Health checks and readiness probes verify each new pod before traffic hits it. Rolling updates are Kubernetes' way of deploying safely. Gradual replacement, zero downtime, and automatic rollback mean you can ship code confidently. Practice explaining this concept and you'll ace the interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.